Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. And look what I found in Aquaria. A shark. Isn't this amazing? By the way, once you kill him, you can't get him back. So you gotta be, oh god. Yeah, he does a lot of damage. You have to be careful with this guy. Wait, where's my suit? Okay, come wear it right now. I have to use one of them. Let's use this. Okay, now, let's take a look. You can already take damage if you just come close to him. But how much damage do you take if he bites you? Yeah, a lot. Did you saw that? Yeah, if this guy was an actual frick, was an actual boss fight, like a hard one to beat with an actual with an actual good strategy, then it will be pretty OP because he does a lot of damage. And, and you know what's funny? There are like these gigantic creatures in Aquaria, yet a normal shark, which we have in real life, are kinda stronger. I mean, it's way easier to kill him, but look how much damage he does. It's not normal. Okay, now let's kill him just for fun, and look what we can get from him. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, you can get much. You can get, where is it? Yeah, you can get a shark fin, but other than that, you can't get anything from this guy. Anyway, it's the only shark in Aquaria, like this one, like a gray shark, like a gray big shark. It's the only one in Aquaria. So there are no other sharks. So yeah, I gotta get up there. Oh no. But anyway, yeah, that's it for this video, I think. I hope you learned something new. And I have to get to the top there, but I don't know how. Wait. Wait, how do we get to the top? Wait. Ooh. No, 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 no! Oh, crap. Okay, I survived. Well, anyway, this is not part of the video anymore. But yeah, that's all what I wanted to show. Oh, and but there is a parrot here too. Or whatever you call it. You can kill it. Ugh. No! Oh, damn it. But yeah, as you saw, it gave an egg. And we can... Actually, I shall kill it. So I can show you guys what you can get if you kill him. I have my gift form here. So yeah, I should just come back there again and kill him. Okay, wait, I need my shark. I mean piranha. And to prove that the shark is gone. Oh, never mind, he's still here. He's back. I remember that I played Aquaria back on the iPad. I killed him once, and he never came back. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, let's kill the parrot now. I think my Aquaria is about to crash. So we gotta be quick. But yeah, the shark guy. He does a lot of damage. You shouldn't mess with him that much, but because there might be an accident and he might kill you if you don't have enough health. So yeah, be careful. Anyway, let's kill the parrot now. I have... No, no, no! Okay, that wasn't that bad. Okay, let's kill the parrot or the bird or whatever it is. Wait, what the Okay, this is not what I expected. Okay, just dice, I guess. Nag again? Okay, I should really try to kill him in a professional way right now. Also, you can't kill him in this form, as we just saw. Oh crap, please. Don't die. Okay. Okay. One last try. Also, I need these because I'm about to face the final boss fight. Um. Okay, I didn't know that you can. Oh crap! I killed a lot of fish. Yeah, I didn't know that you can get this stuff, but just by killing some random fish. Well, that's I can't imagine that what people can do though. Yeah, it's sad because I don't want fish to die. Yeah, we should. Or give me a pay boost. 2. So I'm gonna take what is this? Exactly. Energy shot 4. Okay. Basically it's this but a bit longer. Okay, we should also I think the bird does damage to you. Anyway. Okay, die. Yeah, I didn't kill it. Yeah, frick it. I think you can't kill him. No, you legit can't. But at least you can farm some eggs here. In some way. Or another. Ugh. What even is there? Is there just a flower? I remember the last time I was here, there was a flower there. Epic! No! Oh, the bird was amazing right now. Did you see that? That was amazing. Anyway, guys, I think I was annoying you enough. So, no more Aquaria videos. I think. I think that I'll do one more. An octopus one. Okay, I really have to get there, but I don't know how. Okay. Okay, let me try this. No, don't miss. Are you kidding me? Okay. Please. Oh my god. No! Oh my god, no! No, so you retard.